Sellers, don't leave money on the table. Are you a homeowner ready to sell? If so, then you want to hear this. Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the SF Bay Area. Selling your home can be a significant financial transaction, and we want you to help to make the most of it. How do you maximize your home sale and not leave any money on the table? This list of do's will put you in a better position to make the most return on your investment. First impression: when prospective buyers walk through your door, you want them to fall in love. Here are some of the steps to ensure your home is ready. Declutter and depersonalize. Remove all personal items like family pictures and mementos to create a clean and neutral canvas. This allows buyers to envision themselves in the space. Repairs and maintenance. It is important to fix any visible issues like a leaky faucet, chips in the paint, or even a bad door. A well-maintained home looks more appealing and can help to justify a higher price. Curb appeal. The first thing buyers see when they drive up is the exterior of your home. Invest in landscaping and do a good power wash. Set the right price. Pricing your home correctly is crucial in today's housing market. You don't want to miss the mark. That is why it is important to work with an experienced agent who can prepare an accurate market analysis for you on value, taking into account current market conditions. If you want help in navigating the sale of your home without leaving any money on the table, reach out to my team and me to help you. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area, serving buyers and sellers with integrity and excellence. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.